This section is for those of you who will be running an engineering-based event. So these are the ones that the students will have pre-built. We have some of our events that are pre-built that are also impound events. There is, of course, air trajectory, simple machines, wheeled vehicle. So what happens with this is the students in the morning, starting at 9 o'clock, actually as early as 8 a.m., they will go to wherever the event location is on campus and they will drop off their device. So when this happens, they will drop it off. You're going to give them a receipt, and they are not allowed to make any modifications after the impound window closes. Now, when they turn it into you, they've got until 10 a.m. to do this. When they turn in their device, if you see a problem with it, you can say, I see a problem. If you can fix it before 10 a.m., you're good to go. But don't tell them what it is, because then it could create an unequal playing field for the different teams depending on what they've had an error with. So, but also during this time, don't release any pertinent information such as distances, times, masses that might be relevant to running the event. So that is specified in the rules, by the way. Make sure that the students have their team numbers and their names on the devices. And by the way, the two students that are running the event do not have to be the ones that drop it off. However, I would prefer if it's one of the other team members. Now, technically in our general rules that we've got for Science Olympiad, it says really anybody with the team can drop it off. So, but I really want, not a parent obviously to be dropping off of their device. But there could be that in that first hour, the two students that are competing in your particular event may have to go and run in another event. So anybody from the team that can drop it off.